Welcome to the Clarity COBRA overview. Today, I will show you how to access your account, add a new hire, process a qualifying event, review existing participant information, and generate reports. We will begin by navigating to the Clarity Portal website at www.claritybenefitsolutions.com. From here, choose the Login button at the top right of your screen. This will allow you to enter your credentials or register if you are a first-time user. Once logged in, you will select the COBRA tile, which will launch the COBRA portal in a new window. The COBRA portal will open to your client dashboard where you will see various tiles depending on your company's benefit offerings. For our example, we have set up the most common scenarios. Please note, if you are subject to state continuation or mini COBRA, you will need to use the appropriate tile to ensure your participants are sent proper communications and offer the correct length of coverage.